Today, we're going to be replacing a cutting wheel on a grinder. This particular grinder has a button that allows you to push it down to lock the rotation to allow you to remove the cutting wheel. Next, we're going to use the tool that came with the grinder to remove the cutting wheel. With the button pressed to lock the rotation, we turn the wrench in a counterclockwise fashion and loosen the nut that's holding on the cutting wheel and remove it. Now we're going to add the new cutting wheel, making sure that it's secure and seated properly, as you can see here. Then we're going to add the nut and tighten it. And finally, we're going to make sure again that the rotation is locked using the button that we talked about earlier. And again, using the tool to ensure that everything gets tightened up. We'll turn this time in a clockwise motion. Now with the button pressed, we're going to give it one last turn to make sure that it's snug, and we'll be ready to cut again. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.